Hello my little ones, welcome back. So today we'll be solving lesson number 19 of your workbook, that is the ugly duckling. So let's begin. Assignment number 1. Question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the ugly duckling decide to leave the lake? Answer. The other duckling did not like the ugly duckling. They teased him about his ugliness and would not allow him to join them for a swim. Finally, feeling very lonely and sad, the ugly duckling decided to leave the lake. Question number 2. What did he find wherever he tried to seek shelter? Answer. Wherever the ugly duckling tried to seek shelter, he found that he was always ridiculed by the other smaller birds, animals, and even human beings. Question number 3. Why was the ugly duckling afraid to look at his own reflection? Answer. The ugly duckling was afraid to look at his own reflection because he thought that he looked very ugly. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. The seventh duckling had yellow feathers. Answer. False. Number 2. The ugly duckling was better at swimming than the others. Answer. True. Number 3. The duckling's mother did not love him. Answer. False. Number 4. The other animals all admired the ugly duckling. Answer. False. Question number 3. Complete the table. So we have positive, comparative and superlative. Number 1. Proud, prouder, proudest. Number 2. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Number 3. Good, better, best. Number 4. Lonely, lonelier, loneliest. Number 5. Fluffy, fluffier, fluffiest. Question number 4. From the first paragraph in the textbook, pick out any 6 describing words, adjectives that tell us how the ducklings looked. Answer. Soft, fluffy, yellow, fine, little, grey, shaggy, ugly. Question number 5. Write from the passage. Number 1. One exclamatory sentence. Sentence. It looked so ugly. Number 2. One question. Sentence. Why is he so ugly? Now let's see assignment number 2. Number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Number 1. Whom did the ugly duckling meet in the beautiful garden? Answer. The ugly duckling met 3 beautiful white swans in the beautiful garden. Question number 2. Was the ugly duckling happy in the end? Which lines tell us that? Answer. Yes, the ugly duckling was happy in the end. The following lines tell us this. He curved his slender neck and cried joyfully from the depth of his heart. I never dreamed of such happiness as this while I was an ugly duckling. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the text that describe the nouns. Number 1. Dash dash swans. Answer. Graceful, white. Number 2. Dash dash garden. Answer. Beautiful, fragrant. Number 3. Dash stream. Answer. Clear. Number 4. Dash neck. Answer. Slender. Number 5. Dash life. Answer. Miserable. Number 6. Dash winds. Answer, cold. Question number 3. Match the words in column A with the meanings in column B. Number 1. Fragrant. The answer for fragrant is C, having a pleasant smell. Number 2. Reeds. Answer, thin, long grass near the water's edge. Number 3. Gliding. Answer, moving smoothly and quietly. Number 4. Shaggy. Answer, B, long and untidy. Question number 4. Write the names of the young ones. Number 1. Hen. So the young one of hen is chicken. Number 2. Cat, kitten. Number 3. Dog, puppy. Number 4. Cow, calf. Number 5. Sheep, lamb. Number 6. Duck, duckling. Number 7. Goose, gosling. Number 8. Lion, cub. Number 9. Deer, fawn. Number 10. Goat, kid. Number 11. Swan, cygnet. Now let's see open-ended questions. Question number 1. Describe the beautiful swan in your own words in 3 to 5 lines. Answer. The beautiful swan was white and graceful. He had a slender neck and he could fly high into the air. He could also glide lightly over the water. Question number 2. Write in a few lines what you think about number 1. Mother duck. Answer. I think that Mother Duck was a very good mother. She loved all her ducklings, whether they were beautiful or ugly. She also took the side of the ugly duckling when someone spoke about his ugliness. Number 2. The 6 yellow ducklings. Answer. The 6 yellow ducklings were cruel to the poor ugly duckling. They teased him about his ugliness. They were also jealous of the ugly duckling because he could swim better than any of them. So children, that's the solution for lesson number 19, the ugly duckling. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, like it and share it with your friends who need it. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.